The first document that we're going to cover is actually one of the resources that we provide in addition to the legal estate planning documents. When you access your files, generally we're going to produce a document that's called a name and fiduciary summary, and we'll share that document with you at all times in Microsoft Word format. The function of this document, it is not a legal binding document for any purposes. But what it does is it provides a breakdown in one location of all of the information about your estate plan, including names, birthdays, the people that are serving in different roles for us, etc. So when you open this document, I'm going to share it on the screen with you right now. It's going to provide information. If you happen to have a trust, this will be your trust broken out at the very beginning. And who are we? Who are our children? We're going to have names and birthdays. And if any of our children are maybe a part of a blended family, we're going to have a designation as to whose particular biological or adoptive child they are. We're going to identify any guardians that are serving, the trustees that are serving within the context of the trust after we are no longer able to serve. And then every single what we call agency document, including powers of attorney, our HIPAA authorization, our medical powers of attorney, and finally the executors, the personal representatives under our will be identified in this list. One of the first things you can do just to make things a little bit easier on yourself is take a look at this summary. You'll be able to see first and foremost, are there any names that are spelled incorrectly? Because if they're spelled incorrectly on one document, I can tell you they're going to be spelled incorrectly on all of the documents. And second is, are all of the people the right people for me? Are they still the best people? Do I want to make any changes to these people that are listed? If so, you can make note in this file itself. You can track changes or you can add comments to it, and then you can return that file back to us. When you go to review your estate plan, whether it's every year or every few years, this is a good document to start because it's going to give you in one place key people serving in all roles, and you'll be able to quickly identify whether those people are still the best people or if you need to make any updates. So I do recommend utilize this document throughout the process. And then as needed, you can make any notes, return it to us. That'll be a very quick way to be able to notify us of any data corrections that need to be made or any changes to people.